While paid online survey sites will not make you rich, they do offer people a nice way, a legit way to make a few $100s fast.
How do I make some money fast?
Today we're going to look at the top 10 survey sites to make quick cash. I'm Sean with The Modest Wallet. Want to make extra money by filling out paid surveys from your couch?
Sign me up!
Taking paid online surveys is a great way to make extra money in your spare time, but many aren't able to find sites that pay you real money. We understand those concerns. A lot of sites that guarantee to pay money for surveys are a scam.
It's a scam.
That's why it's important to be careful and only sign up for reputable sites. Luckily, we've done all the homework for you. We've compiled a list of the top 10 sites that pay real money for completing surveys online and each site's pros and cons.
You know, pros and cons.
We are also going to share a characteristic of each that makes each site stand out from the rest.
They do indeed have one redeeming characteristic.
Let's get into our top 10 survey sites to make quick cash. Our first site to make quick cash with surveys is Branded Surveys. Branded Surveys is best for guaranteed points. Branded Surveys is an online survey site that offers you points in exchange for survey completion. Each point is worth 1 cent, and you'll be able to redeem your points or cents whenever you get 1,000 of them. Branded Survey guarantees points for taking a survey. As with many other survey sites, you won't qualify for every survey you click on. There may be a demographic requirement or profile criteria you may not meet. Payouts can take different forms, including the following: PayPal, wire transfers, gift cards, and prepaid virtual credit cards. Pros for this site include guaranteed points and a low payout threshold. A con is that the sign-up bonus is a little weak at only $1. The next survey site to make quick cash is Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie got the best overall rating. Survey Junkie is completely honest with you. They do not promise to make you rich. Instead, they promise to offer you a reliable way to earn extra cash. The minimum payment amount is only $10, which is equal to 1,000 points. Some pros include new surveys are posted every day. Points are credited within 24 hours of completing a survey. One con is that there are limited available surveys for mobile devices. Another survey site for you to check out is Swagbucks. Swagbucks is best for mobile users. If you're looking for a survey site that offers a bit more than just traditional surveys, give Swagbucks a try. They offer several ways to earn money, and you may actually end up spending a little more time than you want on the site. The whole program is based around a well-designed point system that rewards you based on your performance. You can convert these points, also known as Swagbucks, into PayPal money or gift cards, and there also is a $5 sign-up bonus for new users. The average survey on the platform takes about 10 minutes to complete. New polls and surveys are added every day. However, you may not be eligible to take part in each and every poll or survey since the company assigns surveys and polls based on your profile. Some of the pros include that you can earn several ways to earn money. You can save money by shopping through the platform, and new surveys and polls are posted every day. One con is that it can be a little addictive. InboxDollars is the next survey site that you should check out. They're known for being best for cash payments. They offer a wide range of surveys, both long and short. Unlike most other sites on this list, they pay directly in cash. There's no need to keep tabs on your points and mentally convert them into cash. You will get paid directly in cash, which you can deposit to your account. You get paid $5 just for signing up. The interface is very easy to use. It's also accessible from outside the US and is available to international users from most countries. Some pros include you get paid in cash, it's very easy to use, and there's several ways to earn money. The cons, there really aren't any. Vindale Research is fifth on the list to make quick cash with surveys. It's best for testing products and services. Vindale Research is definitely one of the best sites out there. It's the Rolls-Royce for taking surveys. It's among the oldest and longest running survey sites with a long list of loyal and regular users. They're based out of New York and known for being easy to use. The service is free to use, and surveys typically pay between $1 to $5 per survey. The surveys are focused on a variety of niches, including home improvement, technology, food, travel, shopping, health, and beauty and sports. Some political surveys are also found on the site. You'll get a $1 sign-up bonus, and other than this, you can earn by watching videos emailed to you, sharing photos in the platform to earn $5 every time you get paid, opening emails sent by the platform, or finding reward codes to convert into gifts or cash. Pros include the platform is very easy to use, there's several ways to earn money, and there's a huge number of surveys. Cons, some surveys take weeks to get credited to your account. Next on the list to make quick cash with surveys is MyPoints. One thing that stands out with this company is that they give you the ability to earn points daily. In addition to completing surveys and shopping online, you can earn points by taking advantage of the special deals posted regularly. They offer great discounts and points for completing special tasks. MyPoints is one of the few sites with a lucrative sign-up bonus or affiliate program. You get $2 for every successful sign-up through your link. Anyone who signs up gets $10, so it's a pretty nice incentive to sign up for this. Some pros include there's several ways to earn money. PayPal transfers are completed in less than a week. The cons do include, or one con is that not all gift cards are valid in Canada. If you're not from Canada, I guess it doesn't really matter. Another site to make quick cash with surveys is LifePoints. This site is known for being the most user-friendly. They have an outstanding and trustworthy brand. LifePoints recently absorbed the users from MySurvey and Global Test Market, which means the number of people using the service now totals over 5 million. The largest user poll allows LifePoints to offer one of the most friendly server sites on the market. This survey site offers great prizes and rewards to members who follow it on social media. They've given away games consoles, Apple Watches, and more to participating people. Some of the pros include great rewards to people who follow the company on social media and a super easy interface. The cons include it can be difficult to get a hold of customer service if you have an issue. PrizeRebel is next on the list for survey sites to make quick cash. PrizeRebel is definitely known for killing time. PrizeRebel isn't just a survey site, it's much more than that. This site allows you to watch videos, play games, and accept offers in exchange for points that can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. This site has a highly gamified interface that's fun to play with, and you may soon find that a few hours have passed since you last checked your watch. Pros include that it's a great way to kill a spare few seconds, maybe minutes, and make a few bucks at the same time. A con includes there's nothing particularly special about the surveys themselves. Another survey site to consider is called iSay. This site is best for loyal users. While it operates much like any other survey site, this site actually sets itself apart from its competitors because of its loyalty rewards. If you answer enough surveys, you'll be rewarded with additional points that you can earn and redeem for cash or gift cards. The pros include that the loyalty points are a great incentive to keep answering surveys. The cons, that its referral bonuses for friends are a little low, just 100 points per successful referral. The last survey site for making quick cash taking surveys is Opinion Outpost. They're known for their surveys taking 10 to 15 minutes for you to complete. In addition to all the usual features offered by online survey sites, Opinion Outpost offers US users who complete a survey a free entry into a quarterly drawing worth up to $10,000 to the winner. There also is a small bonus when you get eligible friends to also sign up. Pros include a long and storied reputation of integrity and a very cool quarterly sweepstakes. The cons, sweepstakes are much less rich for Canadian users, and the referral bonus is very small, capping out at only $5. Are you surveyed out yet? That was a ton of survey sites to look into, especially if you're looking to make some quick cash for whatever reason. Here's a quick recap of the top 10 survey sites to make quick cash. If you found that you were able to use certain sites over others, please leave a comment below. Let us know which survey sites have worked best for you. Also, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Click that little bell so you get notifications every time we release a new video. And last, make sure you check out the blog article that we have about survey sites. You'll be able to go back and look at the things in more details that we just discussed, and I'll see you over there.